Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to be making the quesadilla pie. Our Kamada Joe, Big Joe is already... Oops.
Good start.
Yeah, that's a great way to start. But our barbecue is already lit up. All we need to do is add a little bit more charcoal to pump that heat up. I came up with this idea because I wanted to make a vegetarian side dish, and I almost made it until I started adding bacon and ham. What I want to start out with is a tomato sauce. So we're going to dice up these tomatoes. I got some fresh garlic and I want to add a clove or two of this. We'll slice this up and add this to our tomatoes. We'll put a little bit of olive oil in a cast iron pan, and when the oil is hot, we'll put our tomatoes in. And we'll put in a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper.
It's already done?
It's already done. This is how easy this is. This pie is very easy to make. We just want to get rid of that moisture that is in the tomatoes. That's all we're doing. Tomatoes, salt and pepper, and while it's in the pan, it's actually sweetening up. So these tomatoes are going... They're going from sour to sweet. Just like every time we do this, we gotta try the individual. That was crazy hot. It's a good tomato sauce. You want to try it?
No.
Trust me, it tastes good. The tomatoes really gotten sweet. A little bit of garlic, salt and pepper. That's all we need for now. I can't juggle. Oh! Sorry.
Oh, man.
Sorry. We'll put these onions over direct heat and fire roast them.
Got one.
Did you see that? Next to our onions, we're also going to place our bell peppers and our chili peppers. While our vegetables are roasting, we're also going to crispen up some bacon. While we wait for our ingredients to roast, we'll start working on our herb cream cheese. We'll start with slicing up some garlic. We want to chop this really fine. Now we'll add some salt to this. That's going to help mush it into a puree. We'll add this to our cream cheese. We'll take some fresh parsley and some fresh chives. We'll chop all of this really fine. We'll add this to our cream cheese, add some salt and pepper, and mix it all together. And now, of course, our taste test. No burning involved. Perfect. I like the pepper. Our onions and peppers are fully roasted. We'll take them off, put them on a tray, let them cool off a little bit, and then put them in a plastic bag. The bag will help the vegetables steam further and further until they're fully cooked. It will also help release the skin. Our bacon is almost finished. We're going to let it cool down and replace it with the ham. All that bacon fat is perfect for roasting our ham. These are beautiful, soft, eat-ripe avocados. We'll cut them open. You gotta work around the seed, twist them, and it will expose the seed. Tap into that with your knife, twist it, there you go, out comes the seed. Spoon out the flesh of the avocado and mush it fine with a fork. Oh, this smells so good. The peppers and the onions have been roasted, they have been steamed, they're nice and soft. Time to take them out of the jacket, chop them up, and then add them to our avocado. Mix it up. Of course, we need to try it as well. This is really, really good. The roasted vegetables, they give off this flavor. This could be the best guacamole I've ever made.
So no pepper and salt?
Yeah, I think we're good. I think if we're going to add more cheese to this, it's going to be salty enough. Now all we need to do is chop up our bacon and ham, and we are ready to make our quesadilla pie. Hey Google, play Mexican music. I'm going to start out with 2 layers of tortillas. On that we're going to put 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, another layer of tortilla, some cream cheese. We'll add some of our crispy bacon, that beautiful ham, and a little bit of shredded mozzarella. And another tortilla on top. We want to press this a little bit, just to make sure that mozzarella isn't too big. Now the guacamole and another tortilla. Do you see how this resembles the Mexican tricolor flag? I'm so smart. And we'll keep on building up these ingredients until we have our finished pie. We got our Kamado Joe Big Joe set to 200 degrees Celsius, and we're taking this pizza stone and put all of it straight on the grill. Now all we need to do is wait for this quesadilla pie to warm up. So this is going to take around 10 to 20 minutes. I was thinking maybe we can melt some cheese, and then when the pie comes out, we just pour it over. It's just going to drizzle all over the sides, just like with pancakes and syrup. Ooh, that's hot. Time to take this thing off the grill.
I hope it's false.
Say what? Say what?
I didn't say anything.
Okay. And this is the reason why I put the second layer of tortilla on the bottom. Look at this thing. Woo-wee! This thing is a beauty. Now I said I was thinking about melting some cheese and then throwing it on here, but look at it. It just looks so good, and there really is no reason to put more cheese on this. There's a lot of cheese already in there, and it looks beautiful. The word Dutch is hard, believe me, but we're going to. We're strong. This is the moment. Let's slice into this. Wow. I want to make the perfect slice. Look at that. This is good. I really love how juicy it looks. Is it weird that I just want to bite into this as a whole?
I think you should.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not going to be gross or anything?
It's definitely going to be gross.
So you just gave me permission, right? I'm going to do it. I think this is crazy. I can't believe how comforting fast food this is. This is like a new thing. Everybody always asks me, when are you going to open a restaurant? If I would have a restaurant, I would put this on the menu as like a starter. Oh, it's better than lasagna. It really has that Mexican, it's like the Mexican lasagna. I know it looks horrible, but this is so good. Hey, and it's healthy. There are tomatoes in there, somewhere. Let's get you a piece. There you go.
Oh yeah.
This is good, huh? You need something to keep it together, but man. Now I know I can make half a decent recipe, but this one for a fast food recipe, it's just crazy. It's creamy, it's rich, it has everything that you want in a fast food recipe, except for needing something to wrap it in. But wow, man, this thing is epic. I'm so glad I didn't went vegan on this recipe. Hey, let me know what you think of this video recipe, and leave me a big thumbs up. I want to hit at least 1,000 likes on this video. So smash it. See you guys next time. Until then, eat smakelijk and keep on grilling.